to the side here. Or come over here. Just introduce yourself.
Tell me something. What can go so?
Alright. Your name? Introduce yourself.
Hi, I am the great Nia, and I'm an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur, alright. What type of money you like?
Like, I don't want like anyone.
She da talk.
Are you run yesterday?
They don't know that already.
Me no come from yesterday.
Why you pop the balloon?
It's not my type. Billy, Jess, me not like them Jess thing. No. You no really look proper.
What can go so?
Your name, G? Why you pop the balloon?
Bad sick, yeah. Yeah, she not no bottom. And I like how the way she dress. If you come look, man. You see me, like, if you come find a match, at least cover up your body. You see me? I see you all right, so. If you sit down right now, everybody in here see what I go.
This look serious, man.
Why you pop the balloon, G?
Yo, look for me. I'm too maga. Mama hard for turn over, for tell you the truth. I don't have the strength to do that. I can't lift her up, I can't spin her, I can't do none of them things. They'll come maga, I'm weak, I can't look on her. No man, it not gonna work.
Friend, maybe you not eat the right type of food, that's why.
You weak jelly back.
It's not all that. So at the end of the day, I'm not going to come in here because you feel like saying me I'm gonna be insecure. I'm not going to be insecure about myself. Me not having any bottom, I am very okay with that.
That's my opinion, so
Okay.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Bad sicky. One part balloon, she not a batty. I'm like a girl with big batty, so I just that alone.
You look around there?
Yeah, I see it. You don't have a look.
You don't have to look?
You don't have a look.
No, but you have to look for
You
see.
don't have a look, you can see from far. And she come in, I barely see first. Now I got big too. Yeah, I got big, that now I go work for it well.
Novo Pandora.
It's to pop the balloon and find love people. Yo, the general, them ready? Ready. Una ready? Yo, let me hear it. Let me hear it now. Yeah. Want to leave a like, subscribe below. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Big up live bots for the visual. Yo, my G, it's simple. When the female them walk in, if you don't like her based on how she look, pop the balloon, okay? If you see something you like, you know, what you gonna do? Don't pop no man. Watch no man. We see you talking on the streets. Man, them go and complain. yo, make sure you leave a like, subscribe below. Yo, 1 million subscribers. Wanna say 1 million subscribers? Yo, Goddy night, chips. Banana chip. Yo, watch your number G. We are sending the first female. Who wants to see her? Me. You? Sure. What you say? Come on, right. Yo, people, rate the lineup from 1 to 10. Me I get better. Tell me what I need for improve, Pam. The G them. We wait until she reach right to say, you see it? Yeah? That good? They must say the man they must be disrespectful. What?
Let's just be honest.
Eh?
Honesty, that's honest.
No, the crowd has said the man they must be disrespectful. What you think?
Probably.
Probably?
Man and God sometimes still, but sometimes honesty still said.
Alright, what you say?
Let's just be real.
Alright, what you say?
Yo, me straightforward, you know. I want to see me attack.
Why?
Yo! Alright, wait until she reach right here, sir. Here? Make sure you reach right here, sir. Here? Watch out, may I bring in a female right now. Ready? Ready. More. Watch out, my G. Rate the lineup. Tell me if me are going good. Me I try my very best, but the girl them want forward in the video, but cancel at the end. Sending the next female for me now. Yeah. All right, to the side here. All right, come over here. Just introduce yourself.
Good afternoon. I am Red and I'm a promotional dancer.
Okay. One could have at least wait until she talk. Alright, so we'll find out why them pop the balloon. That good? What type of man you like though? What's your type?
To be honest, I don't really have a type.
Oh, you don't have a type, but you just like what you like. Alright, then we'll find out why them pop the balloon. That good?
Yes.
Alright then. Your name G? Why you pop the balloon?
DJ Benton. Alright, so she alright and everything, you know, but that's not my type, you know? Yeah, that's not my type.
So you pop the balloon because she's not your type?
Yeah, she carry herself alright and everything, but that's not my type. You get me?
So how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 1 5.
5.
Yeah, I give her 1 5.
Why 5?
And she carry herself appropriate, you see me? So I give her 1 5.
So why not 10?
Why not 10?
Yeah?
Yeah, I put me on the spot, but not my type, you get me?
Oh, no, I'm just ask.
She carry herself good, you know, maybe personality would have add on more and
Oh.
I get for know her, you get
I
me?
just want to know, so you know why you pop a balloon.
Because not my type, you get me?
Alright.
She look good and everything, man, but not my type.
Alright.
Yeah. Boop, you don't know say a DJ Benton. You see me I say? You can check me up on the IG, DJ Benton, TikTok. Check me out. Real screw.
Alright, why you pop the balloon, G?
Yo, look for me. I'm too maga. Mama hard for turn over. For tell you the truth, I don't have the strength to do that. That's hard.
Hard for turnover.
Hard for turn over. I can't lift her up. I can't spin her. I can't do none of them things. Look at my maga. I'm weak. I can't look on her. No, man, it's not going to work.
Friend, maybe I not eat the right type of food, that's why.
Girl, if you say so.
Right type of food?
Right type of food. Food.
Yeah, no food?
Yeah, man, food, man.
So what you mean? You say food, what you mean? Like what you mean? What you think you mean?
Alright. On my opinion, main reason why I said that because I see more girl than you lift me up.
Well, that of them, I don't have them strength there.
So how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
Like, I give her a 2.
2.
Yeah, man, I give her a 2. Man.
Alright, him give her 2. What you think about that?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Fine by me.
How much you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Well, I've swag still, so me give him a 7.
7. What you like about him though? The swag?
Yes.
Yeah?
Real name, Odin. ES_Shinryu, Instagram.
Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
Young lad, you know? Alright. You know the Valiant song I say, let me tell you about my type of girl. That's not my type, is it?
So that's why.
Yeah, man, that's not my type.
Your type. So how much you rate her?
5 for effort.
5.
Yeah, man, believe in ourselves still. Huh?
Effort.
Yeah, man.
So confident makes you get the 5.
That's why.
Thank you very much.
How much you rate him from 1 to 10? How much?
Me give him a 6.
6. What you like about him?
Well, him neat, him cute, and him can dress.
Him neat. Whole heap of thing you like. The list long. Yeah, my G. Alright then. Tell me something you like about her though. Just the effort.
Our confidence, man, you know? She believe in herself, rate that. She can work. You see that confidence, I can make she work on other things, you know?
So she can work on that, you say?
Yeah, man, she can work on.
Alright then.
You don't know it's about a young lad on TikTok and Instagram, you see me?
Right. Come to that side. Your name, G. Why you pop the balloon?
Yes, this is Jerome. The reason why I pop my balloon, you're an entertainer. Yes, I'm a musician also, but you're an entertainer. You say you're a topless entertainer. I'm not digging that. Love your body weight, no bashing, and like the way I tell yourself, that is good. Come in with confidence, which is good. So you get a 7.
7.
Because of your confidence, the attirement is very eloquent. So, yes. But the topless dancing thing, not me. I'm not for that type. But don't discrimination. Whatever anybody say about your body, you're all right.
Thank you, and at least I speak the truth.
Alright, what you think about him?
Well, friend, I've been admiring him still. And
Him?
I tell him that I like his beard.
You like him beard?
Yes.
Like you want to rub it down? Eh?
Yeah, thank you for that.
You're welcome.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Give him a 5. I will give him a 5.
5.
No problem. That's understandable.
5. 4 out of 10?
Yes.
All right. 5 for the beard. Yeah.
This is Jerome. You can follow me on TikTok as AZaddyBBW King and so forth. Stay tuned.
I come to the side. All right, my G. Your name and why you pop the balloon?
Not my type. Billy. Dress, me not like them dress thing. No. Ear no really look proper to me.
What you mean?
No, brother, I like my girl them have an ear, you see it? I don't like them go catch up with gel business there, you know? I don't really like it. You see it?
Oh, so if she there in the kitchen and she catch up her ear and I like it,
No. She don't like a gel thing, you see it?
she for have a
Brazilian.
lace wig.
All right.
Frontal.
You know what I talk about. Sexy, I like see body right. I'm like them things, you see it? I like see my woman sexy when she pass me, ready. She not have the boss there.
Much of that?
Over. Can't manage.
Much of that rate her from 1 to 10?
1.
What do you think about that?
Well, it's okay, but when I'm going on the road, I put myself decent. But when I'm in the house now, now I've not for 40.
Also, when you're in your house, you let loose.
Yes.
Everything sure. So much of that rating from 1 to 10?
Give him a 3.
Huh?
Give him a 3.
3. Why you give him a 3 though? Mama here, why you give him a 3? Tell the truth. Why you give him a 3?
Cause me understand I give him a 3 cause natural beauty. Yeah, cause more if me they come when me in a Brazilian or a lace wig or whatever as they say, yes, oh that girl a cutie such and such. When they see me, you know, with my real hair, what you gonna tell me? I can't live in a lace wig.
Why? I never say woman the gel up thing me I talk about. I never say woman
But
live in a layer.
understand.
But
I
they are
understand.
compound them thing and put yourself together. You understand? That's all. I not woman for living in a lace wig, no. You understand? Cool.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it's your boy Sheldon on TikTok. TikTok God. Yeah, man.
All right, my G, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Bad sicky. One part balloon, she not a batty. I'm like a girl with big batty, so I just that alone.
You look around there?
Yeah, I see it. You know, have a look.
You don't have to look?
You know, have a look.
No, but you have to look for see.
You have a look, you can see from far. And she come in, I barely see first. Now I got big too. Here I got big that now I go work it well. So no batty, no mad.
All right.
Well, you're right, cause 2 belly together that come like pot cover babes. To be honest.
That's my problem. What that me say? Me never said nothing wrong.
So much did I rate her?
Much me I rate her? Yeah, 1.6.
6.
I just try a button on the day, I mean, clap it up.
Oh, so that missing.
That does that.
All right, how much did I rate him though?
I give him a 5.
Huh?
I give him a 5.
5. Why you give him a 5? You have to tell me why.
I don't know, just give him a 5.
You don't know, you just feel for give him a 5.
Fine, sit and give him a 5.
Why you give him the 5?
I like him sweater.
You like him
favorite
sweater?
color.
Oh, the pink.
Yeah.
You like pink?
Yes.
Pink Friday.
Bad Sicky on the block, you see me. You can follow me on the TikTok and on the Instagram, you see me. Bad Sicky, you see me, mad.
Backside. All right, so everybody pop them balloons. So it's a no match today. Everybody who pop them balloon, walk with grace for me now. Oh, so it's no match today. You know what you have to do. Walk with grace. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, watch your number G. Wanna rate the lineup, please. Me I going good?
Yeah, man, good.
Me I going good?
It's a guanish.
Yeah.
Yeah, this kind of, you know, but yeah, go on, say.
Alright then. Watch your rate the lineup, please. Send in the next female. Alright, so wait until she reach out here, sir. Alright. Introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Britannia. On Instagram, I'm underscore Britannia21 underscore. I'm a practical nurse and also an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. Whoa, all right then. What type of man you like though?
I like a tall guy,
Yeah.
somewhat dominant.
Mm-hmm.
Complexion is not really a problem for me,
All right.
but somebody that's also going to push me to achieve my goals.
All right. Not bad. Not bad. All right. So nobody popped the balloon right now, right?
Okay.
So basically, you have the option to burst 3 male balloon based on appearance. Yeah. So basically, you got pop 3 males balloon right now based on appearance. Oh, see it? All right, so come to this side. All right, so why you pop theme balloon?
His height.
Him height?
Me look
Nah,
down.
yeah, volume.
I'm looking down at him a little bit. I'm sorry, but he's really cute though. It's just his height.
I don't know if it's a...
Just him height alone?
Just him height.
All right, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 7.5.
7.5.
Yes.
But him height.
His height is the problem for me.
Right, so you're not like short man? What do you think about her, G?
When I get her 10, you see me, she have self-confidence. You see, and she have her life ahead of her and thing. You see me? She cute also. So when I get her 10.
Thank
Like
you.
that.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate that.
All right. All right, so why you pop theme balloon?
The swag is
You
not
have to
it.
talk up.
The swag is not it for me. I hate those in men, the dangly cross earring is just not my thing.
You not like the ears ring?
The dangling crosses, I hate it. It's given feminine, sorry. I'm sorry, but yeah.
All right. So how
So,
much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
a 4? Sorry,
4.
A 4. It's a 4 for me.
Why 4?
Like I said, his appearance, we're going off of that, and you could have put more effort in it to me. The colors don't go together, so that's just it for me.
Fair enough.
What do you think about her?
Why? I never know if I did free to pop the balloon for her or not.
Why?
As I say, I like short, dark girl, and she not eat, but everything else about her perfect. Her complexion nice, she cute, put herself together, she intelligent, her occupation, everything about you good.
Thank you so much.
Wow. So much did I rate her?
But I give her a 9.5.
9.5.
Man, she deserve it, man.
The reason for popping his balloon is he's okay, you know, he's good. But it looked like it's too much competition there.
What you mean? What you mean?
Face play and all, it looked like there's a lot of competition. Like I have to worry. I don't want to worry about who I'm dating.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, so like you're not trustworthy?
He doesn't look trustworthy. It look like, okay, I have somebody here. She's my main person, but let me see what everybody else in the DM is saying. He looks like that type of person.
What you have to say about that, my G?
I don't have nothing else to say, man. I wish she had said. I don't have nothing else to say.
So what you think about her?
Yeah, man, she nice, man.
How much did I rate her? Because you just a look.
You get her 8, man.
Thank
8?
you.
Why 8?
Appreciate that.
She look nice.
What you like about her?
Everything else, she cute. Her hair. When me talk about, you see that? Dress, sexy, you see it? Them things me talk about. I like tattoo. Yeah.
See, whole heap.
Whole heap. So, yeah. That's it.
All right. How much did I rate him?
He's a 7 for me.
7.
Yeah.
Because he's not trustworthy, that's why?
And I look trustworthy.
All right. All right, come.
I'm having balloon.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I never see it. All right, so the males, them, balloon get popped, just walk with grace, yeah? All right. Circle in. Go over to that side. Yeah. All right, so you have a choice for ask them a question. Ask 2 persons a question for me now. Yeah, just 2 persons.
Okay.
Who first?
you
Him?
first.
All right.
Okay, for my question is relationship-wise, is it simple? Is it 50-50 for you?
No, I
with
don't
your
believe in
person?
50-50. No.
And does your female has to have a job to be with you?
If she wants to work, she work as long as she provide for herself. Because the real truth to that is that I can pass away. What is it that you're gonna have for yourself? And if I'm with you, I leave. What is it you're gonna have for yourself? So it's great to be independent. But the 50-50, I don't believe in it. Because a woman, I believe a man can say, hey, I'm a provider, I'm a protector. If you misconcept the biblical way of the Bible, yeah, man must provide and protect his woman.
All right.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, who else? Him?
Yeah.
Him? All right. What's the question?
What is your type?
Type?
Yes.
Girl with bottom man.
Are you nervous? Why?
She make you nervous?
She nice, man.
Wow.
But just like her we have shape.
Yeah.
I know if you talk to people.
Okay. And the same question goes to you with relationship again, 50-50.
50.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, do you believe in 50-50?
Depends on the situation, I mean, yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Like if my job can't cover everything and she can't hit it, yeah. But if me have a nice work, we can cover everything or most I think then yeah.
What do you think about that?
Okay. All right, fair enough.
Yeah?
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, so you're gonna just pop 2 males balloon right now. I know you didn't ask him a question, but him could have be like, the hidden truth or the secret sauce. Yeah, so pop 2 males balloon right now. All right, we're gonna go first with wire pop his balloon. Even though you not get for know
I
him.
don't know nothing about him. I don't know nothing. I really wanted. You couldn't let me ask 3.
No.
Come on. But you're really handsome, and your height and everything. You come off put together and everything. But I really and truly don't know you. I don't know nothing.
Yeah, but it could have based upon him appearance and you just say you go for it blindly. You could have go for it blindly. No?
No.
No? You could have take a chance? No?
No, I'm not fit like that.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10, Muchi?
11 out of 10.
11?
Out of 10.
Can you get a balloon?
Eh?
Can you get back a balloon?
Give him back a balloon?
Back a balloon?
Hold on, give me a minute. All right, why pop his balloon?
I've heard a few stuff that he had to say. And he's coming off nervous. I'm supposed to be the one that's nervous. He's supposed to be confident. And him swag, come on, the shoes. The shoes don't go with the top. Come on. I want the bag.
Empty bag.
Put away your bag. You don't need to see the brand.
I was saying, like,
I don't like show off people.
or like flashy person.
No, I don't.
So that's why you popping balloon because him shirt not go with him pants.
Him
and-
shirt not go with the pants and the whatever.
What you have to say about that?
I don't have a problem with that.
No problem. So much you rate her from 1 to 10, OG?
I'm 9.
9. What you like about her? Tell the truth.
Everything.
Everything?
Most things. That's cut off everyone.
So what about her behind you say, all is that about the bottom, you know?
Bottom take off one. The bottom not so big. It's just she have a bottom now 30. The bottom not so big, you see me?
Oh, all right.
All right.
All right, everybody who balloon get pop, could grace for me now. All right, I want to see if this is a match, you right? So, I'm going to ask you a question based on your answer. We're going to say, it pan out, right?
All right, let's go. What do you do for fun?
For fun, it's more like river trips for me, back with nature camping or just simple stuff. I'm a homebody, to be honest. I like to be home, but for fun, it's more like going river road trips.
River road trips,
Those are
okay.
my type of fun.
One last question. This is
One last question. Is it why you never put it first?
do you have male friends?
Yes. Okay.
What?
I don't date women who have male friends.
Oh, so if you have male friends, it's a no-no?
Yep.
Okay, no problem.
Like, suppose I just high school, primary school, long-time friend?
Not interested.
Okay.
What do you have to say about that?
It's his opinion. I can't be mad at it. It's how he feels. Probably somebody did stuff to him in the past, so he has to lock in his heart and be like, if there's male there, there's a no for me.
Correct.
Okay.
How much should I rate her before that?
Give her a 20 out of 20.
Thank
What
you.
you like about her? 20?
Give her a 20.
What you like about her?
Appearance, nail it. Like that tie, I mean, like the dress, like the uniqueness of your color, like the way the two of them are right. Slippers, you're unique. So I give her, I like the piercing, the braces, the eye color complexion, the eyebrow, all right, more shape up little, but it's good. I like the, yeah.
List long though.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about him?
Your speech is very eloquent again. So it's very sweet.
Thank
What
you
do you
so
think about
much. I
him?
appreciate that. Like I said, it was okay for me, but he has his past and he has his reasons, so I can't be mad at that.
All right. So it's a no match. So you have to walk with Grace, Maji. Today you never get a match.
It's okay.
It's okay?
It's good.
Oh my gosh, the crowd favorite right now. Them make you come back, you know. They say you
Alright.
deserve to come back. So walk with Grace, yeah?
Thank you.
All right, bring in the next female for me now. Next female, right now. Ready for you? Una ready? 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 Yeah, ready. Yeah, come in. The mic. Let's take the mic. All right. Your name? Introduce yourself.
Hi, I am the great Nia, and I'm an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur, all right. What type of money you like?
Like, I don't want like anyone.
She da talk. What type of money you like?
I don't like anyone specific.
Oh, yeah. All right. Some males pop the balloon, so we're going to find out why them pop the balloon. You good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Come. To that side there. All right, just over there. Right. Why pop a balloon?
No body, no shape, belly, no workout.
So based on how she look?
Yeah, I like my woman, them sexy. That turn me on. That's the truth.
All right.
Yeah, cool.
So much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 3.
3.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
What do you think about that?
That's his opinion. I'm not going to be insecure about myself.
All right. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Same tree.
3. Why you give him a 3? Because him give a 3?
No.
Why?
Because I'm not going to let anyone let me feel insecure about myself. Or because they don't like what you see.
All right. What do you think about it?
Can I work with that?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. All right. Your name, G? Why you pop the balloon?
Bad sick, yeah. Yeah, she not no bottom. And I like how the way she dress. If you come look, man. You see me, like, if you come find a match, at least cover up your body. You see me? I see you all right, so. If you sit down right now, everybody in here see what I go on. You see me, I like that. Because I'm very, you know, I like my own, I like, I feel think with my woman, I go, my other man, I go say about my woman, you see me? That, does that. You see me?
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
4.
What do you think about him?
No.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Him not all that. So
Huh?
I'm gonna get by the same 4.
4. Because him now what?
He's not all that So at the end of the day, I'm not going to come in here because you feel like saying I'm going to be insecure. I'm not going to be insecure about myself. Me not having any bottom, I am very okay with that.
That's my opinion, so I get
Okay. And I stand by your opinion, and I stand by mine.
Mm-hmm. And she have attitude.
It's not attitude, it's the way how I
Attitude,
speak.
because that you don't have to talk to nobody, so nobody not talk to you like that.
It's the way how I speak.
Nah.
No, you see when female come in here on the tend to make it seem like say when them don't speak up, when you can talk to them anyway. I'm not that type of girl.
But your boys speaking up now, stop me from speaking. See what I
Okay.
say.
Alright. She just a try to talk her mind.
I like that.
You like that?
Yeah, she get 1 more 6.
You get how much? 5 first or 6 now?
No, 5, 4 me get was. No, me get her 5 because I'm more low than me like that.
You like that?
Yeah, me like somebody who can speak up for themselves. But yeah.
Alright. Yeah? Alright, come to that side here. Alright, my G. Your name, you pop the balloon?
Yes, underscore Shinryu. Pop the balloon. Well, them size there are not really my size still, you know, but she cute. I like your personality. Yeah, you sound smart. I'm not a fan of piercing, but you don't look really bad. Can't go with that. I just this size. That's all.
Her size?
Yeah, man, I just our size, man.
Or plus?
Yeah, I like short. I like short girl. I like slimmers. Me that.
Okay, alright then. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Why? Our personality bring it up still, you know. Personality bring it up to a 7.5.
7.5.
Man, a good personality. You smile nice though. See it there? Yeah, man. Bring it up to a 7.5.
Yeah. What do you think about him?
Well, based on for him say I have his own opinion, so but I give him a 6.
A 6? What you like about him?
Him honest opinion.
Oh, he's being honest.
Yeah.
That's it. You're like an honest man. You know, like liar.
And I don't like when you follow back at the crowd.
And a leader.
Yeah.
You want a leader?
Yeah, man. Me that.
So basically anything where a man say I go work off of that.
Or like a wave.
Yeah.
Real talk.
Alright. My G. Yeah. You never pop a balloon, you know. Why you choose to pop the balloon now?
Alright, so DJ Benton on all social media, but here I know. But no, my mind just tell me for those listener first, you should go talk or should respond, and them realize, yo, when I think men are with a much chemistry, with a rave, maybe with a bika, and them look weird, them a selector, you know that go, and them look at me and say, you know, yo, me shot, you know. You see me? So, you get me?
But you never pop the balloon first, you didn't like a tree.
Yeah, no, but you want me to see that. Feel like if I know she stay and
Final.
Yeah, so I just that. You get me? Yeah.
So much you like rate her though?
When I rate her, she have a little style about her, she have piercing. You get me? Like yeah, I want 8. When I say 7.5. 7.5, yeah.
7.5. You like what you see?
I'm like yeah, I want 7.5.
What do you think about that?
I'm okay. It's okay.
How much did I rate him though if him never popped the balloon?
I give him a 8.
8. That sound good. Like what you like about him?
Well, Moody says swag, but him can go.
You can go on. Can par with. That get you a 8, you know?
Yeah, man, that good man.
Yeah.
I appreciate that, Aaron.
Alright then. Your name, my G?
No, it's a boy, young lad.
Why you pop the balloon?
She look nice too. She cute, you know. I love her piercing them, but she look intimidating, you see me? She look like she give me some raw stick, brother. You see me? God knows. She look like she da thump me up, dog. You see it? Some kind of, you know?
Or like, you're not talk or argue.
She nailed up on my head too. She look like she da give me some fuck lick, dog. God knows, brother. You see me? But she look nice still, and her piercing them tough, my friend. I like them. You see me?
What do you think about that?
Alright, also let me clarify that. So I'm a type of person, more very defensive. So you see, I feel like say, you come at me, I go come back at you. I am very defensive. So you see, in a relationship, I make no boy feel like say, them can lower me down. So if respect you. If you try to be abusive, I go get it back.
See the way you look for me, I'm afraid though. God though.
Yeah.
I'm afraid for
Yeah, shake.
Yeah, man. Shake, man. Afraid, man.
Also, so basically, it's not going to be like a chemistry and not like an attraction.
Afraid.
You just there and now move.
Yeah, man.
You want to left and she go let them.
All right, there's a right to show you.
All right. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Alright, so I'm gonna give you, maybe honest, I give you a 9. Why I give you a 9 is because I realize that he's a leader. You not follow back when nobody say. You understand? So even if a man have them opinion or a man come out and say, them not like me because I not share good or whatever, you have your own opinion and that's what I like. I like leader. I like when man listen to what other man say and I try to be funny because you're not going to be funny. So that's why I make a 9.
As a leader.
Mm-hmm.
My G.
I give her a 9.2.
9.2?
Yeah.
Why the 2?
Because she know if to talk. She look good still. I don't have a problem with her. She up, man, isn't it? But as I say, I'm afraid of her.
Just afraid of her?
Yeah, I'm afraid. Yeah.
And you don't want to be Nicky. Say them a gangster.
Yes, sir. Yeah, what?
Alright, my G, big up. Alright. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Jerome, all right. To compliment you, I love your body type. BBW is my type. Complexion, nail it. I love a chocolate skin. When a business where the crowd wants it. The next thing I like about you, your confidence. I like the way you nail yourself. I like the way you have your head on your body. Most men doesn't really see that. Not because, yes, love your piercings. I'm a go-getter for the piercings as well. And why I pop my balloon is because of your dressing.
Dressing?
Yeah, that's not my type. I like a decent woman.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you elaborate?
A woman that cover up herself. Remember, your body is a temple. So you have to know what you portray and what you carry in. So what you show is what people are going to remember. So your body is a temple. So it's a character you're showing me. So I need to know what's inside you, which it can be good, like your confidence, as I said, but just the attirement. And your body weight is my type. So I give you a 9.5.
9.5?
Yes.
That good? What do you think about him?
Him alright. Him can par with.
Can par with?
Yeah. And in speak the truth. Him can talk.
Alright, so you like where the input based on what him say.
Based off of how him speak.
Yeah, attire.
Alright. So I'm not the type of person who dress like this, right? But as I'm saying first, appearance last.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't dress like this. So, you know, I come here and I'm this when I come here. I know you see when I come here.
Yeah.
So I come here and I realize say like everybody is a step on me, but I'm not gonna make because of that. I feel insecure of myself. So I say alright. So I did buy 2 something which I never planned for this. But the reason why I changed is because I have my runner being for after this.
Okay.
So I not have no time for go home.
Also basically you just change out.
Yeah.
So you never wear this on the road. You just
She never did have that.
He know what I wear here.
Mm-hmm. They probably feel have that still, you know. Can give it a pass.
Alright. So much I rate him?
I'm gonna give him a 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Whoa, you get a 10.
Thank you.
And not only Rasta speak righteous.
See.
Yeah, alright. So
Rather than shining, you know? Opposite, attract opposite, you know?
alright, so everybody who pop the balloon, walk with grace for me now. Whoa. Alright, so nobody is left back.
I wasn't looking for much.
Today you came, I ain't never get that much, but walk with grace, mama. Yeah. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. The word on the streets, the man them disrespectful, bad.
Some of it.
Some.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Bring in the next female for me now. Yeah. Alright then. I'll wait until she reach right there, so. Yeah? Alright. Wait your so. Alright, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Camille.
Yeah. Alright, Camille, what type of job you do?
Well, I work from home. I do telemarketing and customer service.
Oh, what type of man you like though?
Someone who is thoughtful.
Thoughtful.
Yeah.
Thoughtful. Alright, so we have 1 male that pop the balloon. We're gonna find out why he pop the balloon, alright?
I think I know why.
Why? Yeah? Alright, come in. Why you pop the balloon? Your name?
Young lad, you know. To be honest, I'm not really too like call center girl still. Is me.
I work from home.
The mic.
I work from home. I work for
And
US companies. I don't work in Jamaica.
the another thing is you're too nice to me, you see me across this, you see me? I tell you straight.
What do you mean by
Me
that?
across this man. I tell you. You're too nice to me.
I think I know that.
Yeah?
I think I know that. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you popped your balloon because you recognized me. You recognize me?
Oh,
I'm
so
across this with you.
so him not recognize her?
don't
Somebody you
recognize
know?
Not personally, but
Like a link up?
never linked. No, mm-mm.
Or by on the media
Yeah,
exchange?
social media.
Oh, so yes, him slid in your DM?
You ask too much
Okay,
questions.
okay. Yo, you know remember? Your crosses.
You're
Me
across
text
this.
you. Me text you.
You gonna text him
Yeah.
and remind him.
Yeah, remind you.
Alright, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
9.8.
Oh,
9.8. What you like about her?
I like everything about her, she nice still, but as I said still, me da fuck up her life still, you see? Because I'm across
already
this.
fuck up. You can't fuck up. Already fuck up.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Same thing.
9.
9. You're tall. You're brown. Your skin clean. Your skin clean. You're brown. Yeah. Okay.
I feel that no man talk.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
Alright, so I find out why them pop the balloon. Hold on.
Interesting.
Alright, so my G, why you pop the balloon all of a sudden?
Alright, so I realize yo, she all over for the G. You see me I say?
Oh, so she all up in him.
Yeah, so that alone, me not have no confidence for even say no. Would I look on her and tell her say me have $1 million US and that even peer. You see me I say so?
Oh, because she focused on him.
Yeah, fear focus there right there. So you see, but you're cute, everything is nice, your appearance good and everything. You
Okay.
get me?
I
So
have
just
something
that.
to say. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you have
So
to
you
say?
popped your balloon because
Mhm.
you didn't have any confidence.
No, I did not say I don't have any confidence. I'm just saying you have more thoughts in him because you're all over him. You get me? So yeah, that's just my preference.
Okay.
Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I would have give him a 7.
7 out of 8. Out of 10. And what about she? What you like about her?
Like yeah, yeah, man. She look good. You see me? She have a nice smile too. You get me? So I just that.
Just that.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright.
No,
Alright.
man.
Yeah, come down to the side, Amuji. Alright, why you pop the balloon?
She not thick enough.
Eh?
She not thick enough. She shape nice, she good, you know. Belly flat, everything, but I like them thick.
So you don't think me can take her?
No, we not talk about the thing. I know we are talking about you not get thick by next
But you
week.
can, yeah, of course.
No, that don't go. Just that
On the
still.
proper diet.
No, you not get thick so quick. You sleep a long time, how much?
I'm 24.
Same thing.
I'm
If
20.
you don't get thick, you get thick so you're 20.
Oh, so basically she too slim?
Yeah, she too slim.
Okay, that's no problem.
Just that. She not looking and like
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
She, well, yeah, 8.
8.
Yeah, 8.
Wait,
She's cute.
what you think about him?
I mean, he's tall. Nothing else to think about.
Nothing else to think about? So
I
how
like
much
your
did
jacket. I like your jacket.
Everybody like your jacket.
Yeah, Jackie, bad one.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I would have give you a 6
6. Why a 6?
because you look like a 6.
You look like a 6.
Yeah.
A glass of 6. Alright, my G. Come in. Come to this side. Hold on. Alright, so why you pop? Come to this side, eh? Why you pop the balloon all of a sudden?
She had everything I did I describe. Short, dark, you work from home, you're cute, you're perfect. But me hear your age, John, you're young.
I don't feel
You're not
that.
much younger than me still, you know.
How old are
But
you?
at
How
the
old are
age
you?
of me like. No, I'm old enough, man. I'm not gonna say that. But at the age of
Okay.
me like, you're young, but you're cute, you're perfect.
Okay.
I just say age.
So her age don't make you perfect?
Age, just
Yeah,
our
but yeah,
age. Don't man me have a type, man. You see
Oh.
the age thing, go with it.
So share your type.
Our body, our looks, everything perfect. Our age,
Show it off.
show it off. That's it.
So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Trust me. Mother give her 9.
9.
Yeah, man.
Well, you like everything.
I like everything about her.
Okay, thank you.
What do you think about him?
I mean, I don't have a problem with age, you see me, because you could be old and you have a mind of a child. That taught me a lot because I liked older guys. Right now, it don't matter. But yeah, you have your own right to say what you want.
Should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I would have give you a 5
5. Why a 5?
because you make age a problem. You're not wise. That's not a wise.
I understand what you say. I just say it go.
Oh, so because him no wise?
Yeah, I don't think that's a wise move. Age have nothing to do with it.
All right.
So be it.
All right, come to that side. Whoa.
This one interesting.
All right, my G. Why you pop the balloon all of a sudden?
All right, popping the balloon. All right. I don't know. How old are you?
I'm 24.
24. No problem. It's all about maturity. As I say, older think immature, younger think mature. It's all concept of you. All right. Why I popped it? Love your complexion, everything. Chocolate skin, yes. But I go for a bigger type.
You mean bigger girls?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, like size-wise?
Yeah, just I rather not being an hypocrite, being with someone that is not physically attracted to me. Just the body type. That's it. But you're cool.
We need bigger, like
BBW.
Plus.
slim waist, thick
Not
thighs.
BBL. Just
BBW, just
thick.
Oh.
Thick in the waist, yes. Have body.
okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
All right.
You're good, and I give you a 9. Because of your confidence and how you interact with them, say, not because of age. I love your confidence. So, yeah.
All right. You get a 9?
Yeah, I give her a 9 for her confidence.
What do you think about him?
I mean, there's nothing wrong with him. How old are you?
I'm 30, going 31.
Okay. I have nothing to say. He dressed nice. I like his style. You do fashion?
No, but I'm a musician. But I
Okay.
love fashion.
I love
so I like
music
to
too.
dress different from any others.
This is a spark. See it. See it.
I was gonna say nobody really go for their type or marry their type. If I ask a married man what his type, he
Mhm.
wouldn't describe his wife. But
That's
you
very
have your
true.
own right to say what you want.
Yeah.
I would give you a 9.
9.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
All right. So the males then will pop the balloon. Walk with grace. Yo. Oh. So we'll have 1 leave. What do you think about that?
Why you doing puppy balloon?
Yeah, because tell you the truth, I'm not balloon. Like an independent lady, you see me? You work, me here talk, I'm listen first, I stop, run go pop. You understand? I listen here, she's a nice girl and thing. I'm like, you're just nice. So that's the reason why I'm not pop, you know?
Okay.
All
What do
right.
you do for work? What you
Yeah,
do
I'm
for
a security guard.
Your security?
Yeah.
Okay, what would you consider a first date?
First date, would I bring you? I carry out like to the hotel.
Hotel?
Yeah, I mean, the big date that man, big date.
Hotel?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
brawling.
Or like them top
place, you know?
Oh.
Yeah.
all inclusive.
All inclusive. That are code.
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 23.
You're 23.
All right, so basically what we are doing right now, I'm going to ask you a question. We're going to see if it's a match. You're going to ask her 1 question. Based on that answer, we're going to see if it's a match, okay? All right, so ask your question, Maji.
All right. We can bring to the table.
What I can bring to
Yeah.
the table? I mean, if you provide things to the table, if you provide things, I will make the table. It's not what I can bring, it's what you can give me to make
Yeah,
the table.
but no, yeah, all right. If me I bring her, you I bring 2, we have to both have a
So you're looking
50-50.
for 50-50?
Ah,
Pop it.
Oh, so what, wait, you know like the 50-50?
I don't mind if we're together and you need help out with something, but 50-50?
that's the reason why I'm gonna pop my balloon.
Because she independent
And
she would carry the bill.
Stress though. Me alone can't stress.
You alone can't manage.
Can't bother.
She need for a chippy.
Yeah, I can't bother. I'm stressed out already from say that.
You are deal with the light, she are deal the what?
Everything. Me feel I do everything. I can't manage that.
Can't manage that.
No.
You want a woman fair.
50-50. Me and her, you know? Yeah. So that's that.
What do you think about that?
I'm sorry. The way how you describe 50-50, I don't get it.
Oh, shit. Like, me, I do. If me fall short, you can
chip in.
That's all.
I have no problem with that. You see me?
I does that. But just to me, you say,
Pop it. Yeah.
Manage the stress.
Oh, shoot. Say, would that be a
But what
match?
if I'm not working? What if I just stop work?
No, I can understand, but you're not going to just sit down like that. You're going to try to find the next work door.
Yeah,
I have no
because-
problem for you going till you get back by your feet, but if I just me alone, no, not going to work out.
All right, I just have something to say. To be honest, I love the princess treatment. Even though independent, as a female, it is very hard to be independent. And with being independent,
Yeah.
you have a masculine energy, and I do have a masculine energy because I've been independent.
Yeah.
So with a man coming into my life, you have to give me the princess treatment and make me feel okay with myself.
Okay.
I'll get the princess treatment first.
Okay, all right.
First. Yeah. Before the princess treatment run out, where the run left me?
True. Yeah. So sister is
I don't know.
Alright. So sister is a no match today, you see. So we have to go walk with Grace Maji, here. Alright, so today you never find a match. So big up yourself, walk with Grace here. Saying the first female. First female. Wait till she reach out so. Alright. Introduce yourself. Your name is? No, Tia.
Tia.
Introduce yourself, use the mic.
Tia.
Alright, so Tia, what do you do? Tia, you have to turn around, man. Come on. Tia, what happened?
This look serious, man.
Tia, you have to introduce yourself. Your name is? With the mic.
Tia.
Alright, Tia, come. You want Tia?
No.
Yeah, but when I hear you, you have to go to the first meal and pop the balloon, okay?
Yeah, first of all.
Alright, forward. Come here. Come here. Use the mic here. Alright, come to that side. Just come to that side. Use up the mic here. That side. More right side of me. Right side of me, yes, so. Alright, why you pop the balloon?
She look alright and things, but she too soft. You see me, I don't like get removed, so soft. You see my father, she kind of shy on. You know?
Oh, she walk in?
Yeah, she don't look like she believe in herself. That's what I say, father. Yeah.
What do you think about that, Tia?
She can't even talk.
Tia, look like them fools ever come here, what?
Yeah,
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 7.5 still.
Based on how she look?
You don't know personality of a couple of race, you know?
Yeah, so she not have that. Tia, boy, the backside!
Mighty God! What is wrong?
Yo, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
7.5 out of 10.
Tia, what do you think about him?
I'm alright.
Him alright? Alright, how much did I rate him?
7.5.
7 point. Alright. You get that, Maji? What do you think about that?
Fair enough.
Alright. Come in, somebody else. Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
DJ Benton. So, alright, you know, she look good and everything, but you have to believe in yourself, you have to have self-confidence. Doesn't mean say that I only reason. You get me? I have a eye contact with, you never look for me, you never look for Rolly. You get me? I say? So, believe, man. Ezine. Yeah. That's all, man. That's
So much did I get her from 1 to 10?
She look good. You see me? I say she look good. But I say 1.8. You get me? She alright, man. You see me? She carry herself good. You see me?
So Tia, what do you think about him?
I like sharp, man.
You not like sharp, man? Oh, so she not like sharp, man?
That's why I got one of them things. They are fear preference. You see?
Yeah. Alright, come in, we'll find out what next. Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yes, underscore Shinryu, Instagram. Mama hold your hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Jano, Mama, you look good, but here what? Shy thing now go work. Looks alone, can't do it. You see
Why
me?
everybody are follow the same style?
Hold on, no, man. I will see.
Yeah, they must say you come out just, you know.
Suppose a time to please me, you can't even look in at me eye. I like the boring thing, Mama. No, correct.
So much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
When it comes to looks, me give her a 8 still, but everything else,
No.
no.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
4.
4. Why 4?
Cause I'm my type.
I'm not your type.
So you go. Me and everybody type.
Alright. Alright, my G. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Sheldon. Alright. Big man thing. Means have vibes, man, you see me?
Yeah.
I'm a vibes girl, you see it? Until she come in, she never look at nobody's face. So you gotta see the person you like. You have to look for me, look right in my eye. You have to look in my eye, you look so. No, we don't work some more. I swear. And that's the only reason. You come in shy, you have to just look, just be confident, man, and just look.
What else?
You see me? No, she good still and look alright, see, but also shiny, you see me?
Yeah.
I'm the vibes, man, you know.
So how much should I rate him?
5.
5? Alright. Come in. Your name?
Matsiki.
Why you pop the balloon?
Well, you see, true, me's a shy man too. And she come in and she nah give no vibes or something. Me and her nah go work, you know, so. Nah, go just that. Just the shyness, you see me, because me kind of shy too. You see me?
Alright, so how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 8.5.
8.5. What do you think about that?
Right, I don't like bleachers.
You don't like bleachers?
When them belly too big, because I never feel nothing. What else? I like when man thick. Yeah, but not when them belly big.
Oh, same belly big?
Yeah, kind of big. Like when them abs are flat.
Nah, I'm cool with that.
Cool with that? Alright. Alright, so how much I rate him though?
That give him 3.
How much?
3.
3.
We're good with that one.
Good with that?
That one.
Alright, come to the side there. Alright. Alright, my G, you never pop the balloon, but after a while, why you pop the balloon? Your name?
My name is Jerome, and the reason why I pop the balloon is not that you're shy, you're just nervous. If people understand your characteristic, they will understand just you. You're good, you're fine, everything, get a 9.5, and just have more confidence, know your A game. We probably drag you out, you're never really ready, but you're good.
Yeah, them drag you out?
All right, just ready next time. You're good, nothing wrong, but just have more confidence. You're all right, trust me.
How much did I rate her?
9.5.
Tia, what do you think about him?
I like Shine, man.
Who?
Shine Edmond.
No problem with that. That's understandable.
You not like Shine who?
Shine Edmond.
That's understandable. Nice for your compliments still.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Be honest.
2.
2?
No problem with that. It's your choice.
I don't my type.
I know your type.
All right.
Alright, Tia. Everybody pop them balloon. So guess what? Before we go do, you're nervous? You're nervous?
Kinda.
You're nervous? Alright then. So we just want to ask you, somebody jog you here? And you never prepare or what happened?
No, I don't say I never prepare, but I'm just nervous overall.
Oh, you're just nervous overall. Okay, I understand. Alright, so there's no match today, so you have to walk with grace, yeah? Tia, you have to walk with grace. You have to just walk with grace. Come to the side here. Just come to the side here, mama. Alright, introduce yourself.
Alright, my name is Black British _no Tess on Instagram.
Alright. British, what type of man you like? What's your type?
I like dark man.
You're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, right? Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, which part you want to start? To the side there? Alright, come in. Alright.
No, not you.
Oh, him? Alright. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Bad Sicky. She said she like dark skin man, and me rub out the whole of my darkness. So me not go bother waste no time with her, you see.
Oh, you rub it out.
Yeah, rub out the darkness. For now.
Alright. So that's the reason why you pop it?
That's the reason.
So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
7.5.
7.5?
Yeah.
What you like about her?
Well, I like her height and her shape. She's shape nice. And kind of, I like the dark skin them to see.
Oh, you can't walk back in. Alright, so what you think about him?
I give him an 8 out of 10.
Oh, 8? What you like about him?
I'm dressing alright. Nice looking, even though you're not dark, but you're nice looking. You can go and you look like enough to control woman, you know? Yeah.
You know for control woman?
You know them look bad up the woman, them. You don't want to really beat them up in about control them. Nah, certain.
Oh, you that?
Yeah, man, I work with anything.
Alright. So how much you rate him? 7? 8? My bad.
Balloon that take care. If I did just wait.
Oh.
You like dark skin man?
Yeah, but me did still have to choose a brown skin no matter because the real dark skin is the right.
Whoa! Oh yes. Alright, I can find her. Come to the side. Alright. Why you pop the balloon your name?
Skin. Adapt. Me have to do it. I have to do it. Okay, I have to do it.
Because of your skin?
Yeah, me don't want nobody bring me down, so I have to do it. Yeah, I have to do it.
Oh, so how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
7. Yeah, 7. She look good, yeah. Yeah, 7.
Thank you.
7. What you like about her?
Alright. But I'm not telling a lie now. Sexy.
You're not looking at her face?
I'm saying the sexiness me talk about right now.
Okay.
Yeah. No, nothing wrong with that. She black and beautiful. Yeah. You put on live out shine. Whoa. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah.
Alright. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give him an 8 too.
8?
Yeah.
What you like about him?
Like him can dress. Like some of them could have par with. And maybe him, whatever in a bed, I don't know, but yeah.
Coat, man, you know.
Nice.
Alright, come to the side. Alright, my G. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Oh, I'm here talking. I think I remember. Because she said dark skin still, isn't it? That's one reason why I still my pop it. I can't bother to compete with the black man, them, you know what I mean?
What you like, you know?
That's true still. So I'm a papa balloon still.
Oh, you don't like her? If she never said that?
I go fight this.
You don't go and fight? See something you like?
Yeah, man, she raunchy, man, you know?
Raunchy?
Yeah.
What that?
Raunchy vibes, you know already? Like, appealing, you know? Appealing, you know?
Oh. Yeah. What do you think about him?
I'll give him an 8 too.
8?
Yeah.
Why you pop the balloon?
She said she like dark skinned men and that is her preference. Everybody have them.
You could just wait.
Why?
He never done. Him ask me a question, so I tell him.
Okay.
I'm like.
Well, commend on your complexion. Nice complexion. I give you an 8.
Yeah, 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because the complexion is good.
Like her complexion? That alone?
Yeah.
What do you think about him?
I give him a 7.
7?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you like? Like you like the mature type? What else?
I'm alright, I'm cool.
Am I right?
Yeah, I know him long time.
From high school.
School, yeah.
Yeah, Spanish Town High.
Big up.
Oh, so like friend zone?
No, not really friend zone. It's just somebody say I am passing high school.
So it never worked out like?
Never look anybody or anything.
Never look me really.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, come to the side. Why you pop your balloon, G?
Alright, so 2 things still, you see me? I select them, I know as a dancer in the street. So here I go now. Me go there link and then when I look now, start play some Rose done, you see me I say? Some look at water song for she dance and when I look at she and two woman Shelly Belly gone with her run around part, you are going to know a king and them song them never start play, you see me? So me can't do that. You see pray. Yeah man, she look good and everything man, me know anything, you see me? Nice girl and Ray.
Oh, so yeah, it have to do with like trust.
Yeah man, me nah, Shelly Belly gone with her dog and swing her when I'm part this, you see me? A BS Skanking song me never start play them time there.
So much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Like yeah, 1 8 too.
8.
Yeah, man. Solid man, she good. Her complexion good and rare, you see me? Yeah, and look bad as to it look. You see me? I say nice. Like she dominant, you see me?
Like a little badass.
Yeah, so she good man.
What do you think about that?
Well, I'm not good with myself still, because when I really dance, usually like that, because I'm terrible. But why not, me do the wind up, because as I say, I'm an entertainer. But I say go, but more the talk to you either, Ben, because it's short.
Yeah,
Sorry.
go.
Oh, because him short.
Yeah.
Alright.
You know,
Well,
really,
you're good still, but it's short.
you know, like short guys.
No, definitely. I'm way
And
shorter
everything. And everything.
Eh?
And everything short, so it good. Yeah.
Well, as if it's tall, I'm not still want it because you're short.
Alright then.
So much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 6.
6?
Yeah.
That good?
Just because of the
Solid,
entertainment
man.
world, you know. And I want him to see me and in the streets and mud me up on the mic.
No man, not like that man, not like that man.
All the males them a pop a balloon or I could grace.
Oh my God.
Eh? What I'm to you?
Said to somebody like,
Is this somebody you like?
you know.
Alright. Watch and come to this side. Alright, my G. Right? You wanna pop the balloon, right? So more you ask her a question and see how she answer. We're gonna see if this is a match, okay? Alright, so ask her one question.
Where you do for your living?
All right, as well, him said before, I'm an entertainer. Anything have to do with the dancehall industry, that's me. Otherwise, from that, I sleep.
No, hold on, that years you're not working. Repeat.
Huh?
Repeat, that years you're not work. Repeat what you say?
I'm an entertainer. That's what I do for a living.
Now I go work charge it. The entertainment and the dancing business. Imagine me have my girl and see a man run up and down in a party with her. I don't mean that, general.
Wait. You have other type when we dance to the man, then you have other type when I dance to the man, then just entertain.
And once a girl
But
at the
you don't
entertainment, I don't mean that. You see me? So just drop it right this up.
So you not really like a girl with two out there?
No.
Like a girl that warm and cook and Netflix.
Yeah, man.
Popcorn.
But
yeah, man.
that entertainer girl still wash, cook, and clean, same way wife material type. What you talk about?
No, that are them. My type, did.
Alright.
So that's the only reason.
That's the only reason. Otherwise, she good man. Cause I love black girl. Everything about her looks perfect. I just that.
So you think about him? Cause him dark, you say.
Alright, the dark skin, him complexion nice, but I give him a 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10? Why?
Because him not like the entertainment thing when I do, and the dress code is a no for me, mismatch, whatever, no. So,
Or the dress code and I really like it?
No. And then you look way older like you're 40 odd. So no. Sorry.
Alright, so it's no match to them.
No.
No match.
No.
Alright, so enough for walk with grace, yeah? Yeah. Alright then. Big up here. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yes, so make sure to leave a like, subscribe below. 200,000 subscribers next, big up Live Boss for the visual. Yo, people, thank you for the love and support that you're giving the channel. Leave a like. I love you so much, okay? We get a new mic on the tell me how it stay. We want some lights. You can sponsor it. PayPal below. If we do so good, you can't buy me a coffee, no? But me drink coffee. No. Me eat banana chips. Buy me a chips. Yeah? Link below. Right now, I just want to say, if the streets attack, that means we are it. Yeah? We're good.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it.
GCT forever and ever. We say goodbye.
Girl, them say my dream of a buzz. Girl, them say my dream of a buzz. Can them so much dream of a boss? Road to 200k. Get me a say like, comment, subscribe.
Hit a banger! Yeah. No, that one is short. Like when you stop it. What happened? Like when you stop. Like from the roar when you stop.